Matthew and Abiel, you have made a very serious and important decision in choosing to marry each other today. You are entering into a sacred covenant as life partners in God. The success of your marriage will reflect what you put into nurturing this relationship.
California speaks softly like she's making up her mind. And how am I
My love,
lucky?
from the moment I first met you, I already knew that something is special. I already knew that you are the one for me. Yet I was really hesitant at first because even I couldn't believe that something this good that I've been longing for years, all my life, was already happening in a flash.
Standing here with you today, I am reminded of the very first time we met. It was unexpected but so memorable.
I promise that I will build on our relationship every day with love, kindness, joy, understanding, trust, faith, hope, perseverance, endurance, patience, and patience.
Only to die. Oh, but lately I've been counting my stars, 'cause I will spend my whole.
I vow to be your partner in all things, to laugh with you in times of joy, and to comfort you in times of sorrow. And of course, to support you in achieving your dreams, our dreams.
Ang prayer ko nga noon was, Lord, if matagal pa ba talaga akong magiging single and walang asawa, maybe naman I am the answer to someone's prayer. Yun nga, nung time na sinagot mo ako, ang sabi mo sa akin, ako yung taong pinag-pray mo.
Madami pa tayong pagdadaanan sa new chapter ng relationship natin. But always remember, kahit gaano pa karami ang pagsubok na pagdadaanan natin, magkasama tayong haharapin ng lahat. You are my partner, my love, my best friend, and my home. I didn't search for you. We were destined by God. I love you always and forever.
Dito ka sa piling ko, dito ka lang, mabagal ang ikot ng mundo kapag ika'y nariyan ang aking tahanan. Dito ka lang, dito ka lang, dito ka lang. Dito ka sa piling ko, nakadikit sa aking labi. Mo'y mabagal ang aking kilong, di ko maitatakin.
I promise that I will always be the man that you prayed for and the man that God prepared for you now and forever. I love you always and forever, Abiel.